Did you know Red Bull sells over 7 billion cans each year in 171 countries? That's a lot of energy. But what's actually inside this silver and blue can? Let's explore everything from its ingredients to how it's made to see if Red Bull really gives you wings. Before we explore what's inside a can of Red Bull, let's take a step back and look at where it all began. The story starts in Thailand, where it was originally created as an energy drink for hardworking people. Over time, it transformed into a worldwide brand, known and loved across the globe. But Red Bull is more than just a beverage. It's become a symbol of energy and adventure, inspiring a passionate community that connects with its bold and active image. Red Bull's story begins in 1970 Thailand, where a pharmacist named Chaleo Yovidya noticed the needs of hardworking people. Truck drivers, factory workers, and farmers often struggled with fatigue and needed a quick energy boost. To help, Chaleo created a drink called Krating Daeng, meaning Red Bull in Thai. It was made with caffeine, sugar, and B vitamins, offering an affordable and effective solution for staying energized. Chaleo's drink quickly became popular in Thailand, especially with workers who needed an energy boost. For many, Krating Daeng was a must-have to get through long days and nights. It wasn't just a drink, it became a go-to choice for staying awake and focused. In the early 1980s, Austrian businessman Dietrich Mateschitz came across Krating Daeng during a trip to Thailand. He was impressed by how it helped with jet lag and improved focus and saw its potential for Western markets. To make it a success back home, Mateschitz partnered with Chaleo. Together, they adjusted the drink's recipe and flavor to suit Western preferences. In 1987, the new Red Bull was officially launched in Austria. Mateschitz had a clear goal, not just to sell the drink, but to create a brand that stood for an active, adventurous lifestyle. The launch in Austria was just the start. Mateschitz used unique marketing strategies, focusing on extreme sports and events, which helped Red Bull stand out and grow into a global leader. Now that we know how Red Bull started, let's look at what gives it its energizing boost. The ingredients in Red Bull are chosen for specific reasons, each helping to improve focus, energy, and stamina. The main ingredients include caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, and sugar or artificial sweeteners in the sugar-free version. Caffeine is the main ingredient in Red Bull that boosts alertness. It works by blocking receptors in the brain that cause tiredness, giving you a lift to stay focused and energized. B vitamins are also important in the drink. They help turn food into energy, working with caffeine to improve both mental and physical performance. Taurine is an amino acid that helps with heart health and energy use in the body. While it's not as well known as caffeine, it supports overall energy production and helps keep focus sharp. Red Bull's sugars give a quick energy boost, especially when you need physical stamina. Sugar-free Red Bull, however, uses artificial sweeteners to keep the taste without the calories, offering a lighter choice for health-conscious drinkers. Each ingredient is sourced from reliable suppliers to ensure consistent quality. Every can of Red Bull, whether in New York or Tokyo, tastes the same and has the same effect because of careful ingredient measurements and strict quality control. Making sure each can of Red Bull is the same requires a careful production process. It's made in high-tech factories where technology and precision are key. The process begins with measuring and mixing each ingredient, from caffeine and taurine to B vitamins and sugars. Automated machines ensure every step is done accurately. After mixing, the drink goes through several quality checks. Red Bull's team tests the taste, checks for bacteria, and does other tests to make sure each batch is safe, consistent, and tastes good. These checks ensure every can of Red Bull meets the brand's standards, no matter where it's made. The last step in production is pasteurization, which helps the drink last longer without affecting its taste. This process heats the drink to kill any bacteria, keeping it fresh for months. This careful attention to production shows Red Bull's focus on quality, giving customers confidence in its safety and reliability. Red Bull Silver and Blue can stand out, but it's not just for looks. The lightweight aluminum cans are also easy to recycle, showing Red Bull's commitment to being eco-friendly. By using recyclable materials, Red Bull helps reduce its environmental impact, matching the values of its environmentally conscious customers. After the drink is mixed, it moves to the canning line. Each can is filled, sealed, and readied for shipping in an efficient process. The machinery is built to reduce waste and increase speed, letting Red Bull make millions of cans every day. Once filled, the cans go through another pasteurization to ensure quality during shipping and storage. Finally, the cans are labeled, packed, and sent to distributors worldwide. The whole process, from mixing to canning, is automated and carefully watched to keep things efficient and reduce environmental impact. Red Bull's focus on sustainable packaging helps cut waste and shows its commitment to responsible production. One of the key reasons for Red Bull's success is its innovative marketing. From the start, Mate Shits knew that Red Bull needed to be more than just a drink. It had to have a strong identity. Instead of traditional ads, Red Bull focused on experiential marketing, connecting with extreme sports and adventure events that appealed to young, thrill-seeking people. Red Bull's marketing team created ideas like sponsoring extreme sports events, such as the Red Bull Air Race and the Red Bull Rampage mountain biking competition. The brand also made its own events, like the Red Bull Flug Tag, where people build homemade flying machines and jump off a platform, often with funny results. This set Red Bull apart from other drink brands, making it a choice for those who love adventure. Red Bull's slogan, "Gives you wings," captures the brand's promise of more energy and focus. This catchy phrase has become famous, representing the boost Red Bull says it gives. By connecting with adventure, Red Bull has built a loyal fan base that relates to its image. Today, Red Bull is more than just a drink. It's a lifestyle for people who love new experiences and excitement. Red Bull's ingredients are chosen to work together for a strong energy boost. Caffeine, taurine, and B vitamins each have their own job. Caffeine blocks tiredness and boosts alertness by affecting the brain, while B vitamins help turn food into energy for a lasting lift. Taurine helps with focus and heart health by balancing electrolytes in the brain, keeping your mind clear during tough tasks. This mix of ingredients helps avoid common side effects like jitters or the crash that often come with other energy drinks. Red Bull provides a smoother energy boost, making it perfect for people who need long-lasting focus and stamina. It's especially helpful for those facing tough workouts, long study sessions, or busy workdays. Red Bull's proven formula has made it popular with students, athletes, and professionals. The steady energy it gives makes it a dependable choice for anyone who needs to stay alert, energized, and focused without feeling big ups and downs. Despite its popularity, Red Bull has faced criticism, mainly about its caffeine and sugar levels. Health experts worry about the risks of drinking energy drinks too often, especially for young people. High caffeine can raise heart rate, cause dehydration, and lead to sleep problems, especially when mixed with other caffeinated products. In response, Red Bull launched sugar-free versions, using artificial sweeteners to keep the taste without extra calories. While this helps with some concerns, Red Bull still recommends drinking their products in moderation. For most adults, 1 can per day is safe, but drinking too many cans or mixing Red Bull with other stimulants can increase the risk of side effects. Red Bull has worked to promote responsible drinking by teaming up with health experts and following rules to limit ads aimed at younger people. While health concerns are still debated in the energy drink industry, Red Bull's transparency and different product choices help consumers make informed decisions. Red Bull's impact goes beyond its own success. It changed the entire energy drink market. When it first launched, energy drinks were a small, unfamiliar product in Western markets. Red Bull not only made the idea popular, but also helped turn the industry into a multi-billion-dollar business. Today, many competitors use similar branding and marketing strategies to appeal to younger audiences. Even with many competitors, Red Bull continues to lead in innovation and setting trends. Its creative marketing, often focused on adventure and high-energy activities, has become well known, making the brand a leader in the field. By sponsoring extreme sports and creating unique content, Red Bull has built a lifestyle brand that connects with its audience. Even with many imitators, Red Bull remains the top energy drink. By constantly updating its products and staying connected to what consumers want, the brand stays relevant in a competitive market. This ability to change and innovate keeps Red Bull leading the industry it helped create. Red Bull's journey from a simple Thai energy drink to a global icon shows vision, innovation, and hard work. Each can offers a carefully made product with quality ingredients and a focus on consistency. From extreme sports to the science behind its formula, Red Bull is more than just a drink. It's a symbol for people who live life to the fullest. So, whether you're pulling an all-nighter, gearing up for an intense workout, or simply need a burst of energy, Red Bull is there to give you wings. What's your go-to source of energy? Do you reach for a Red Bull, or do you have another favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Red Bull, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into your favorite products. See you next time.